Express 245 base 6 as a number in base 10. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to convert the number 245 base 6 to base 10. To do that, we will multiply each digit in the number by the base, and so we will have 2 times 6 plus 4 times 6 plus 5 times 6. And then after that, beginning from right to left, the first base will have an exponent of 0, the second base will have an exponent of 1, and the third base will have an exponent of 2. Now let's simplify this. 6 squared will give us 36, and so this will give us 2 times 36. 6 exponent 1 will give us 6, and so we will have 4 times 6. 6 exponent 0 will give us 1, and so we have 5 times 1. 2 times 36 will give us 72. 4 times 6 will give us 24. 5 times 1 will give us 5. 72 plus 24 plus 5 will give us 101. So it means that when we convert 245 from base 6 to base 10, we are going to have 101. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is A.